I've complained about electric chargers a ton, and the next couple articles are going to talk about this a little more. Because let's just start with this one, actually, which is Tesla technology inches closer to becoming the industry standard. I'm a little behind on this. I know this was a lot last week and stuff, but the Tesla charger that they changed to the NACS charger, I believe, the North American Charging Standard, has had a ton of other companies join in on it, which is great to see because again and again and again, if they don't standardize the charging, nobody's going to buy an electric vehicle because at some point you're going to go, I can't charge anywhere. I have to think about where I'm charging. And Tesla had such a big lead that how can you not? So I believe Ford, Rivian just joined in, GM joined in, Fiat, I believe so, Chrysler, maybe? Can't remember. Could be wrong. Might be making things up here. But this will give these car owners of these GM, Fords, and Rivians in the future access to more than 12,000 superchargers in the U.S. And a lot more than that worldwide, obviously. I mean, this is going to be a big swing and make everything so much better for the electric charging market. I think this is also going to help out when it comes to Tesla's bottom line, because if you think about it, if your charger is the standard, you have the biggest charging network, well, now it makes a lot more sense to build out your charging network. So if you're a Tesla owner, well, you might be going, this sucks because now the charging stations at Tesla chargers are going to have more people at them, and then I'm to deal with more people. But the truth is, at the end of the day, this is just going to get more chargers out there for you. Sure, there's going to be some growing pains at the beginning here. I wouldn't doubt that. But also, Tesla's made it very clear they're going to build as many chargers as they can afford to do in a year. And so I'd be excited just to see this take off. And if you're a Tesla investor, well, they're going to be making a lot more money on these chargers because other cars are going to be charging there as well. And on top of that, we have Washington State and Texas are the first two states in the U.S. at least to make the Tesla charging standard required to be able to get federal funding or state funding from these states. Now, the NACS charger, which Texas and now Washington have gone away and done, are going to be required in these states to be able to get federal funding. That'd be like your tax return funding or your tax benefits for buying an EV, everything like that. And so that's great to see that states are starting to require it. At some point, someone was going to have to put a line down because some companies seemed like they couldn't care less. And this is a start to make that actually transition over and start to happen.